Welcome back, fishing friends. It's been a little bit since I filmed a Monsterbass video. So today, there's some baits going out there. Today, that's what we're gonna go ahead and do. We're gonna go ahead and do this live stream style. So hopefully we can capture all the footage that we need here. As you see, I haven't even broken the seal or anything. So I need to find something. I don't know why I didn't think about that ahead of time. I'm in my garage though, so it shouldn't be hard to find something real quick like. What's up, babe boy? About to check it out, see what's in this box, man. Hopefully some stuff that's gonna put me on something in this cold weather we've been having. Figured I'd give you guys the first look. And before I even release this video, drop this on Instagram. Uh-oh. What do we have here? See a lot of crankage going on. B8 Labs, kind of a itty bitty, like a finesse crank here. B8 Labs, you know, kind of micro crank. See that coming into play in some shallow stuff, maybe some creek action while it's still warm. Uh-oh, there we go. Pro model crankbait. Probably like a 10, 12 foot diving crankbait. That's pretty decent. There's the crankbait, Strike King. What I say was Strike King Pro model. That's pretty dope. Digging that. Pro model, green tomato. And we've got a crawl pattern. A little bit deeper diving, a Vicious Fishing MC65, 2.5 inch, half ounce, 4 to 8 foot. So maybe I'm wrong there. MC65, that's pretty sick. I thought that was like 10 foot, and this says it's like 8, but it's a little bit bigger bills. I don't know. I don't know crankbaits that well, but we're getting into them. We're gonna be able to fish some now for sure. The heat. Let's see here. We've got something different that I haven't really seen before. It's called the Ned Ocho, the Nocho. Ned Ochos. Got some Nochos here. Those are gonna get ripped on as well. Let's see. I don't know if I even really showed the GoPro that. It's kind of hard to make out on here, I'm sure. That's sick. Let's see what else. Wow. Mad Yabby, I guess. Mad Yabbies. Very dope. Definitely gonna be slapping those on a PBJ jig. And I'm gonna get ripped. I can already tell. Ultra durable creature bait. Freaking light's messing it. Let me take these out of the pack and show you. That is bitching. Whoa. Oh man, that's pretty sick. Big appendages. You already know that's going on the jig, peanut butter style. Put those back up in here. Let's see, I think that's everything. Got a Grateful Dead sticker, Monsterbass. Some Daichi hooks. A little bit of hooks. That's kind of cool. It's actually an assortment. Both the round bend straight shanks, the little offset worm hook, and the EWGs. That's kind of pimp. So thank you guys for joining. Just wanted to do a real quick live unboxing on this. I just really wanted to see what was in this box and maybe use some of it tomorrow to fish, hopefully. So that's what we got to work with this month. Thank you guys. I didn't even realize my freaking light went off. Damn. Thank you guys for watching. Sticking around, staying tuned. If you enjoyed this Monsterbass unboxing, let me know in the comments, and I'll keep dropping these videos, or dropping these Monsterbass unboxing videos. Anyway, till next time, see you later. Thanks for watching. Peace out.